Hello students, welcome to our new video, and in this video we are going to discuss the first chapter of class 6 science, that is food. Where does it come from? So in this chapter we are going to discuss the different sources of food. So the food we eat is made up of different type of substances. Food that we eat is made up of different types of substances, and that substances are called ingredients of the food. So food is made up of different types of substances, and these substances are called ingredients. The substances that are present in a food are called ingredients. So food is made up of different types of substances, and these substances are called ingredients. The substances that are present in a food are called ingredients. So you have understood the ingredients. What is ingredients? Like, let's take an example. We are going to prepare the vegetable curry. So different types of ingredients are needed to make the vegetable curry, like the spices, salt, oil. So these spices, salt and oil are the ingredients of the vegetable curry that we are going to prepare. So these are the ingredients. These are the ingredients. Different food materials are obtained from the different sources, like the egg we eat is obtained from the hen, the rice we eat is obtained from the plants. So different food materials have different sources, and different plants have different types of edible parts. So a plants have two or more than two edible parts. So what is the term the edible means? Anything that can be eaten is called edible. Anything that can be eaten is called edible. And in terms of plants, the part of the plants that can be eaten are called edible parts. Let us take an example of mustard plant. Its seeds are used for the oil. Its seeds are used to get oil, and its leaves are used as a vegetable. So the seed and the leaves of the mustard plants are called edible. Now the term edible is clear, right? So you have seen moong or chana. The moong or chana, when it is dipped into water for overnight, and then in the morning you see that the sprouts develops in it. So what is the sprouts? The white structure. The white structure develops into the seed is called sprouts, and the seeds that have sprouts are called sprouted. The seeds that have sprouts are called sprouted. The seeds that have sprouts are called sprouted. The sprouts means a white structure thin white structure. The thin white structure develops in the seeds are called sprouts. So now the term edible, sprouted and sprouts are clear. In your book a term nectar is given. So what the term nectar means? So nectar are the sweet juices present in flower. So nectar are the sweet juices present in flower. Bees make their honey with the help of nectar. So they collect nectar from the flowers and store it in a beehive, and that in that beehive they store their honey. So with the help of nectar they prepare honey. So you have understood all these terms in a right way. Now we are moving to the food habits of animals. On the basis of their food habits, animals are divided into three categories. On the basis of their food habits, animals are divided into three categories. That is herbivorous, herbivores, omnivores, and carnivores. So herbivores are animals that eat only plants. Example: cow, buffalo, goat, etc. So the herbivores are animals that eat only plants. They eat only plants. You have seen the cow, they eat grasses, and goats, they all eat plants. So these are the examples of herbivores. Now omnivores. Omnivores are animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Example: dog, fox, etc. So omnivores are animals that eat. Omnivores So omnivores are the animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals like the dog and fox. You have seen the dog eating roti, but it can also eat the meat. So dog is your omnivores, and same happens with the fox. So fox is also an example of omnivores. Carnivores are the animals that eat only that eat other animals. Carnivores are the animals that eat other animals like lion, tiger, etc. So lion and tiger eat other animals. So these are the examples of carnivores. They are called carnivores. So your chapter is totally completed and you have to revise all the topics that I have taught. So see you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye.